Good morning, guys. Welcome to our new vlog. So now I just started my shift. What do you believe? This one. So we are playing in chess in the morning. Yes, you can see this guy. Okay. So now it's equal. I'll show you how to play this one. Just wait. Almost finished the match. See, this guy working hard, but check again. I have 3 left. They have only 2 left. So let's see who win. And now you can see the all 6 is behind me. Like there is Freedom of the Sea. This is Mariner of the Sea. There's Allure of the Sea. Oasis of the Sea. All of. There's also one celebrity ship also. Wait, I'll show you the back camera. Wait. Yes. Finally, I have win the match. See, it's white one is mine. I just give the check. Check. Now is loose. So I have been, this guy is loose. Jamil. So you can see pilot is coming because we are going in Port Lauderdale. So now we are nearby the port. So just pilot is coming. After that he comes our ship. Then we are go to the port. Now see, this one is going the corner. See this one. Maybe pilot is come outside and just put the ship. Now you can see the we are nearby port. Maybe 10 or 15 minutes we are in the port, and today we are PCR test. That's why we are going there. So we are nearby the port. Just see this building. Maybe just 5 or 10 minutes we are in the port. So as I tell you before, today we are PCR test. So after PCR test, maybe we are sailing again in the evening. But I don't know what is the plan. And you just see the weather. It's cloudy, but it's nice. It's not too hot today. It's good. I'll show you the back side. Now you can see the beach is empty. कोई नहीं दिख रहा है इस beach पूरा. Only 3% is there. Say there. Say hello. See this one. Hello. Hello. How are you? केवल 3 लोग हैं यहाँ पे. And all beach is empty right now. I think maybe here also lockdown, but I think lockdown is open, but nobody is here. Only see in the beach, only you can see the chairs. That's it. This building is also empty. I didn't see anyone in balcony right now. All of these hotels is not empty, but only few person is here. Last time भी आए तब भी कोई नहीं थे यहाँ पे. Nobody is there. I like this place, especially this view. This house is very nice place. बस यहाँ पे एक घर मिल जाए, then everything is okay. See the view. Suppose if your home is there, so how's your feeling? ये सब होटल्स है. Now you can see the outside of hotels. This is a small park, and outside this hotel you can see this one swimming pool also. इसका बस व्यू कितना जबरदस्त लगता है. See that this houses, all houses is very nice. Now you can look at this house, so beautiful. It's very clean and tidy. You just see the location. Just imagine this is your house and you just open the door and just see front of your door is sea. Wow, what a nice view. I like this view. We are coming every week right now, so every time I make this video. If you want to just see my Instagram ID, every time I posted the reels, only this view because I like this one. And you can see the building. This is Miami. This is our port also in the Miami Royal Caribbean port. Last counter to Universities, we are going the other side because of Miami port. This is Fort Lauderdale. That one is Miami. So it's not very far. Maybe it's only 30 minutes the way from this side. So but it's okay. It's nice. Also this food is nice. Just see the view. It's very beautiful. So finally we are in the port. Now you can see the Celebrity Edge is behind me. It's big ship. See? It's huge. Now you can see this light. This one, this is restaurant. It's floating restaurant. This is going down and up. So you just imagine when it's mid of the sea, how is it feeling? It's nice. So lunchtime now. Now you can see today palak paneer with rice, strawberry cake, veg burger and fruit salad and orange juice. So this is today lunch. And you can see the outside view. Outside Celebrity is here. This is beautiful ship. And you can see the yacht. Everything is there. So now I'm going for PCR test. Actually my number is 19, but right now they're calling 20 number. So I'm late, but it's okay, no problem. You can see the all managers there. They are making lines. So I'll waiting for my number. Right now I'm here third number. Little bit scared because they put inside my nose, so it's pain. At least now we are PCR test in the beak. Before when I was sign on, every day PCR test. So that time is very hard time. But now at least we need to only after 1 week. So now it's okay, no problem. So now dinner time. This is rajma chawal and orange juice and fruit salad, some sweet dish, apple, and this is gujia. It's not it's like Indian gujia, but it's vegetable gujia. But I don't know what is the exactly name this one. But it's nice. See, nobody's there. All empty right now. Only. So now I'm finished. I just need to sign in. 5 1 1 2 3 years now. Finish. Right now 7 o'clock. So I'm just going for my laundry today. After that I go for yo finish. Okay. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Next vlog. Stephen, say hi. Hello. Bye bye.